This free AirPods app for Android phones can give you a pop-up animation if you are using an AirPods 1, AirPods 2, or even AirPods 3 or the Pro when you're connected with an Android phone with this app. All right, so check it out. It's known as Andropods. I did a quick review on it a while back, but that was with Android 10. This is now with Android 11. Also check out my video as how it will work with Android 12, but it's better off to try it with Android 10 or 11. So once you have it installed here, you'll go ahead and press open. And the first thing you will do is give it permission to show overlays and also the location. Showing overlays basically is saying to your phone that you will have the pop-up animation appear anywhere on your phone, wherever you are. So you'll see Andropods here. Go ahead and turn on that switch here and then just back out of here. And now you have to enable the location settings for it to work. So just go ahead and tap on this, press OK, and of course, while you are using the app, and just for safety's sake and not to have to turn it on while setting it up, you'll want to make sure this is also enabled from here as well. Okay. Now you'll notice that this is not shown here to turn on. You can't do anything, and that's because you'll need to first turn on your Bluetooth settings and connect the AirPods that you have. So this is the AirPods 2, and I'll quickly go ahead and set it up for you so you can see how it works. So once your AirPods are fully connected, it should look something like this. And going back to the app itself, we'll now go ahead and be able to use the activate service feature here. So when you turn it on like this here, you'll notice it says Andropods here. And depending on which model you have, you'll want to select here and choose the one for you. It has a simple layout, and there's another one known as Material Pods. I think you should try that one out. It's way better than this one here. But if you want to go a little simple, then check this one out. So you got AirPods 1 and 2. If you have that, go with this option or whatever else is available. So mine is the AirPods 2. We'll just close that out here. You want to make sure that the show percent icon notification is turned on, as well as the in pop-up window. All right, so you can tap on this gear icon settings here to make some adjustments to either of these here. And let's go ahead and test it out. So in my testing for the Android 10, you do get pop-up animation. For the Android 12, which was tested on my OnePlus 9 Pro phone, it does give you the pop-up animation, but the battery percentage will not show. So let's see how this one is going to work now. So we'll open up the case lid and let's see if it's going to show you. And yes, it does. So you can see this is a far more accurate presentation compared to what it was with the Android 12 OnePlus phone, right? So if you plan to use this app, be sure that you use it with a phone that has um, either Android 10 or Android 11 for the best compatibility and pop-up animation like this. All right, and of course, as always, if you don't like it, you can just simply uninstall it and you're back to normal. So like, sub, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and see ya.